we're now heading to the south side. After that, might head towards the plant. Roger that. There's a hook echo right to the right about the power, around the power plant.
Where are we going?
Go west on Walker Road.
Nah, bad idea. Bad idea. We gotta get south.
That's where he wants us to go.
Heavy rain because I can't see anything right now. Yeah, okay.
Said they saw a hook echo on radar.
That's what we're checking out.
Sweet.
It's with my Sutherland.
Well, that's a good 30 miles.
Well, we ain't going that far.
Yeah, I got 48% power. It should be about 2 hours.
Nah. Mine doesn't go that. Mine goes 2 hours from start to finish.
Yeah, it'll be dark soon anyway.
Yeah. 7:48. I hope there wasn't a stop sign there.
I don't think so. I think that one's right here. This is Tyson and Ted Golden. We're trained weather spotters with the National Weather Service Skywarn Net here in North Platte, Nebraska. We're on our way to check out a hook echo, which indicates rotation in a severe thunderstorm on radar. We're on our way to check it out to see if there's anything tornadic. They say exactly where it was at.
East of Sutherland.
Okay. We're currently heading west on Willow right now, and I guess we're gonna head out to Walker Road. Watch it from there. Don't see anything as of yet.
We're heading blast on the field. Okay, yeah, we're about the end of Buffalo right here. Appreciate that.
I didn't hear any hail reports.
Yeah, they got quarter size and stuff.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. It looks like it's banking southeast, so it looks like the core should miss town. All right, there's a wall cloud. It should be right over there. These storms are not moving very fast. They're only going about 5 miles an hour, so it should hang around for a while. It should be in there somewhere. Oh, no, lightning. I don't see anything. Oh, right there. There's the wall cloud. I can see it. You see it? It's right there. It's kind of embedded in the rain a little bit.
Oh,
That's a perfect wall cloud, dude.
that is.
We got it. I'd say we just find a place to pull over here and watch it.
No, we're gonna head west.
Well, we don't want to head west. We'll drive right into it. It looks like it's partially rain wrapped. All right, we do have visual of the wall cloud. I do not see any rotation at this time. Call it in, Dad. Tell them we got the wall cloud. It looks like we got weak rotation.